Namaste and welcome to Friday Flavors on Variety is the Spice of Life. Have you ever tasted an authentic Karnataka style Bisibele Bath and wondered why it tastes so much richer and more flavorful than most restaurant versions? Today we're going beyond the ready-made spice packets to discover how to prepare a truly traditional Bisibele Bath completely from scratch, from roasting your own spices to creating that perfect balance of tanginess, sweetness, and rich aroma. In this video, I'll walk you through the complete process, step by step. And if you'd like detailed measurements, ingredient lists, and the complete written recipe, do visit our blog. The link is waiting for you in the description below. Now, let's begin our delicious journey into one of Karnataka's most celebrated comfort foods. The story behind Bisibele Bath. Most people think Bisibele Bath is simply rice mixed with lentils and vegetables, but it is much more than that. This iconic dish traces its roots to the royal kitchens of the Mysore Wadia dynasty and has remained an integral part of Karnataka's culinary heritage for centuries. The name itself tells its story. Bisi means hot, Bele means lentils. Bath means a rice preparation. Together they create a wholesome one pot meal that has delighted generations, from temple feasts and festivals to family Sunday lunches. And what truly makes this dish special is not just the ingredients, but the harmony they create together. What makes an authentic Bisibili bath? A perfect Bisibili bath is all about balance. It should be creamy, but not mushy, tangy, but never too sour, spicy, but not overpowering, and gently sweet thanks to a touch of jaggery. Unlike ordinary khichdi, authentic Bisibili bath delivers layers of flavor in every spoonful. Freshly roasted spices, tamarind, vegetables, lentils, and ghee come together to create a comforting dish that's both nourishing and incredibly satisfying. Getting this balance right is the secret behind every memorable bowl. Choosing the right ingredients. Great Bisibeli bath always begins with quality ingredients. Traditionally, short grain Sona Masori rice is preferred because it cooks into the creamy consistency the dish is famous for. Total provides richness and body. Fresh vegetables like carrots, beans, peas, drumsticks, pearl onions, tomatoes, potatoes, and raw banana contribute texture, color, and nutrition. Then comes the magic duo, fresh tamarind and jaggery. One adds gentle tanginess, the other softens the acidity, creating a beautiful balance that's unmistakably authentic. The heart of the dish, homemade spice powder. If there's one step you should never skip, it's making the bisibele bath powder from scratch. Dry roasting coriander seeds, chana dal, urad dal, cumin, pepper, red chilies, cloves, cinnamon, cardamom, curry leaves, coconut, and other traditional spices unlocks their natural oils and aromas. Once cooled and freshly ground, this spice blend transforms the entire dish. It's this homemade masala that gives authentic bisibele bath its deep, smoky, complex flavor, something store bought spice mixes simply cannot replicate. Preparing everything before cooking. Professional cooking is all about preparation. Cook the rice and tur dal until they are soft enough to mash together. Extract fresh tamarind pulp by soaking and straining raw tamarind. Meanwhile, chop your vegetables into equal sized pieces so they cook evenly. Lightly cook the harder vegetables before combining them later. When every component is prepared separately, the final cooking becomes smooth, effortless, and beautifully controlled. Bringing everything together. Now comes the most satisfying part. Begin by building a rich tamarind base using ghee, mustard seeds, curry leaves, onions, tomatoes, and your freshly prepared spice powder. Once the flavors develop, add the cooked dal, followed by vegetables, and finally the cooked rice. Stir gently while adding hot water whenever needed. The goal is a silky, porridge like consistency, where every grain of rice is coated with the rich, aromatic masala. Patience at this stage makes all the difference. The final touches that create magic. Every authentic Bisibili bath ends with a spectacular tempering. Heat generous amounts of ghee, roast cashews until golden. Add mustard seeds, dried red chilies, curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida. Pour this sizzling tempering over the Bisibili bath just before serving. Finish with fresh coriander and an extra drizzle of ghee. That irresistible aroma filling your kitchen is exactly what makes homemade Bisibele Bath unforgettable. Serving like a traditional Karnataka meal, Bisibele Bath is delicious on its own, but traditional accompaniments elevate the experience even further. Serve it piping hot alongside crispy papad, cooling bundi raita, and a little mango pickle. Many Karnataka households even enjoy it with potato chips or sev for added crunch. One spoonful reveals why this humble one pot meal has remained a favorite for generations. Simple ingredients, extraordinary flavor, and pure comfort in every bite. I hope this video has inspired you to prepare authentic Karnataka style Bisibele Bath right in your own kitchen. Remember, the real secret lies not in complicated techniques, but in fresh ingredients, homemade spice powder, and a little patience. For complete ingredient quantities, detailed step by step instructions, expert cooking tips, and many more delicious recipes, don't forget to visit our blog. You'll find the link in the description below. If you enjoy discovering authentic Indian recipes, practical fitness tips, insightful astrology, inspiring thoughts, nostalgic stories, and soulful music, all in one place, you're going to love everything we create here. At Variety is the spice of life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel. Also, press the notification bell so you never miss a new episode of Friday Flavors. Until next time, stay healthy, keep cooking with love, and remember, variety truly is the spice of life.